Replacing rear view camera on a 2017 Chevy Volt. As you can see, it looks a little bit foggy. Everything is fogged up, especially in the evening. You can't really see much through it. Daytime is not so bad, but it gets really annoying. This area, a ton of fog here. This area is a ton of fog. Here is a ton of fog. So, tried cleaning the camera, tried cleaning the lens, but it's not happy. So here, got a new dormant camera. There it is. And of course the camera sits, where it sits? Yeah, it sits right here. And cleaning it doesn't really help. So if you have an OEM camera replacement, you can just use a flat tool to get under here, or if you have two of them, get it from both sides, but at least one at a time. You can get the camera out. There's a part number from GM. There's a connector. Just disconnect it, connect the new camera, and Bob's your uncle. Unfortunately, this is dormant camera, and it's a little different design, and it has a little pigtail. Apparently 2016 and 2017 is the same camera according to the part number. Mine is 2017. I think 19 uses a high definition camera. Fortunately, I can't really show you on a video because it's super hard to catch. But just above the license plate where the camera is, your color bumper and a black bumper, they separate. You can stick your finger in there, and if you stick your finger in there like that, behind you can get to the connector for the camera, and if you put enough force into it with your hands, you can rip it off the original locator. You will not be able to put it back on, so it'll be loose behind it. So to do it properly, you'll probably have to remove the bumper cover. But you know, saving removing a bumper cover, you get your adapter out this way and just leave it loose behind the bumper, if that's satisfactory for you. To disconnect, you have to lift that red tab at the end of the connector, kinda press on this thing, because it's a weather-tight connector, right? And basically wiggle the connector out. And then now you can pull out the camera. There's a new and old camera side by side. Obviously aftermarket would just make the connector make the life 10 times easier. So now I just snake the connector from the camera back in and over and connect it. So plug the new camera in. You can see the adapter has a bit of a shape to it. The red wire is on the left. And give it a go. Well, I guess take off the protective film first. So now that you're connected, you'll push the connector back in. There's no way you can get this clip back on, so it will be loose behind the wire. But hey, that's the price you take. You pay for not disassembling this thing. If you want to, good luck. Take it apart and you'll get it perfect. But I'm not into it at this time. So now the connector is back in. Make sure to push the red retainer clip in, and you should be good to go. The camera just slides back in the hole, and the two clips will hold it. Done. You can see there are little channels on the top where this little clip's supposed to go in. I don't know why mine came apart so easily. It's possible it was mildly rear-ended at some point in time, but hey, whatever. Now you have to pull this. You have to pull this black piece in a little bit. So what I did is I took the license plate off, put the screw in and use the very narrow screwdriver just to line up all the four catches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just screwdriver and pull this back in, and now no more separation in this area. And at this point my repair is complete. It's still no HD, of course, camera is the same, but as you can see, everything looks a lot clearer, no more foggy spots, and I don't know if it comes up on the camera as well as it does in person, but I'm pretty happy with the repair. I hope guys you find it helpful, and good luck with your adventures.